City of Melbourne and the State of Victoria. It was named after its main sponsor in terms of putting up the prize money, a confectionery magnate named Sir McPherson Robertson. There was no limit as to the type or power of the aircraft that could enter. The main rule was that the aeroplane had to reach Melbourne in 16 calendar days. Geoffrey de Havilland thought Britain had to do something, and his company was best placed. The go-ahead for their bespoke racer was given in January 1934, so there was a very compressed timescale if the race start was to be made in October. By February, it had orders for 3 comets. One of them came from James and Amy Mollison. Amy Mollison being the former and indeed future Amy Johnson. Another from the Australian racing driver. Highly streamlined, small rubber area, 2 seats, retractable carriage, power, special arms over the cabin, 6. The crew's got the barrel, start of the Scott, incredibly, had never flown a twin-engined aircraft before he got his hands on the Comet. As for how the race went, the plan was that all 3 Comets would fly directly to Baghdad. Black Magic, the Comet of the Morrisons did so. Grosvenor House stopped in Kirkuk en route. The 3rd Comet became lost in 4 by that force landed in darkness in the Persian desert, losing 8 hours. Then lost 6 more hours of Black Magic travelled on departure from Karachi and turned towards the Grosvenor House with aeroplane, relatively waiting on to win. Crossman is flying in the Renton race with £6,000 prize speed race. Second place, no bespoke racer. It was the Douglas DC-2 airline, KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, some 19 hours. This had indeed been a triumph for British aviation. It was a fine demonstration of the potential for the advances that aircraft like this embodied. This aeroplane is a remarkable survivor. It came back to the UK, it was briefly evaluated by the RAF. It then went on to fly in several other races. Perhaps most notably in the hands of Arthur Clouston and Victor Ricketts, a record for New Zealand. Much later it was taken on by the Shuttleworth collection, restored by then to flight in 1987, then suffered need for a grounding, and its then base at Hatfield was closed. A few years later it returned to flight permanently in 2014.